How to choose the right browser on Windows. Your browser is where most of your computing actually happens, so choosing one deliberately is worth 10 minutes. Here's an honest comparison. Edge is built in and genuinely good now, sharing the same engine as Chrome, with strong performance, a vertical tabs option, and features like sleeping tabs that save memory. Its downside is that Microsoft pushes its own services hard. Chrome has the largest extension library and near universal compatibility at the cost of heavy memory use and the most data collection. Firefox is independent, with strong privacy defaults, container tabs for separating accounts, and a genuine alternative engine, which matters for the health of the web. Brave blocks adverts and trackers by default. Vivaldi is for people who want to configure everything. My honest advice: extension compatibility is nearly universal now, so choose on privacy stance and interface, and test one for a week before moving your bookmarks.